Good morning, students. Today topic is coordinate bond, that is also known as the dative bond. So in the case of the coordinate bond, there is also a sharing of the electrons between the two atoms. But in this case, shared pair of the electron is from one of the atom combined with other atom. It means the atom which give the electron, that is a donor, and the atom which accept the electron, that is the acceptor. Now here, if we take the examples of the ammonium ion, that is a very good example for the coordinate bond. You know, nitrogen contains 5 electrons in the outermost orbit, and this nitrogen form 3 covalent bond sharing 1 electron with the hydrogen. So, and 1 lone pair is left on the nitrogen. This is the ammonia. Now, when a proton is taken by the ammonia, then what happens? This proton, you know, hydrogen having no electron in the first shell, so it is positive charge. So this hydrogen comes to the nitrogen, and shared pair of the nitrogen is in between the hydrogen and the nitrogen. Here sharing of the electron from nitrogen in between the hydrogen and the nitrogen, and it forms a ammonium ion. Now this covalent bond is represented by an arrow. This arrow from nitrogen to the hydrogen, this indicates that the lone pair from the nitrogen to the hydrogen. Now as a whole, this is the ammonium ion. So in the case of the ammonium ion, sharing of the electron between nitrogen and hydrogen, and the shared pair between the nitrogen and hydrogen is from the nitrogen. Now take the second example, that is hydronium ion. See, in the case of the water, oxygen contains 6 electrons in the outermost orbit, and 1 electron is shared with the hydrogen to form the water H2O. Now there are 2 lone pairs on the oxygen. So suppose if you add a drop of the HCl in the water, what will happen? HCl will dissociate into hydrogen and the chloride ions. Now this hydrogen is a proton, it has no electron in it. So this hydrogen comes to the water and takes 1 lone pair from the oxygen and form the hydronium ion. That is, H proton comes to the oxygen and it forms the hydronium as a whole. So this arrow indicates that the lone pair from the oxygen to the hydrogen, this is as a whole is a hydronium ion. So these are the 2 examples in the case of the covalent bond. One is ammonium ion, other is hydrogen ion. See, in this case, the condition is that lone pair in between the 2 atoms is given by one of the atom. Now this bond is also known as the co-ionic bond. It means covalent bond, suppose it is an ammonium ion, this contains covalent bond and the coordinate bond both. That is, if we consider as such, it is ionic in nature, and the 2 covalent bond or the 3 covalent bond, that is nitrogen hydrogen, nitrogen hydrogen, nitrogen hydrogen. So it is also known as the co-ionic bond. So I think it will be clear to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.